మేడం స్టూడెంట్ ఒకరు ఉన్నారు,
1 minute.
ఉన్నా లేకున్నా మీరు చెప్పుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోండి.
Yeah, I will tell, sir. I will tell. 1 minute. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. I'm going to start biostatistics. I'll share the topic. Please wait 1 minute. One minute, please wait. So today we are going to start biostatistics. So biostatistics well dealt with the basic statistics, that is arithmetic mean, median, mode. These are very, very important to dealt with the biostatistics. So here the following topics are in your syllabus. I'll share you. 1 minute, please wait. So here the topic is biostatistics. 1 minute, I'm sharing. Is 1 minute, please. One minute, please wait. Document. Sorry. Another fail. 1 minute, please. Remove this. So this is the topic mark. This is statistics discipline specific elective course biostatistics. So you are the third year, semester 5. So we are from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University. My name is Dr. G. Lavanya. So I'm going to start the topic. The course you have topics which are first unit is purpose and structure of biological assay, types of assays, and direct assays, ratio estimates, asymptotic distributions, Fowler's theorem and regression, approach to estimate dose, response, and relationships. So today I'm going to start this unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 mark. So next onwards, we'll start further classes. We have the 4 units. The topic is here. I'm going to share you. Wait 1 minute more. So this is the topic I am going to share you. Purpose and structure of biological assay, types of biological assays. The main objective of this is define and state the biological assay. Know the purpose of biological assay. Explain the structure of biological assay. So today, when it started, the history of biological in the statistics is Sir Francis Galton. He invented he's a so in theory and practical problems he identified, and he had given some solutions to the these problems. Okay, so we find that it is 3 essentials, mainly stimulus, depth of water, subject, the dough and response, plucking on olive leaf. So in biological theory, in back of 19th century, it was started. Okay, so now, so the ratio of statistics in bioassay, a statistician can make the following contributions: advise on the general statistical principles underlying the assay method, devise a good experimental design that give the most useful and reliable results, analyze the data and making use of all evidence on the potency. So here, design consists of choosing the number of levels of doses at which each preparation is to be tested, the number of subjects to be used at each dose, the method of allocating subjects to doses, the order in which subjects under each dose should be treated and measured, and other aspects of the experiment. Needless to emphasize that sound design is as important as statistical of data. So the basic definition is, so our methods. So biopsy or methods for estimating the potency of a drug or material by utilizing the reaction caused by its applications to experimental subjects that are living. For example, how do pharmacists know the 6 aspirin tablet can be patted to a child? So when he got the fever, we will immediately take the pharmacy, aspirin tablets. How? So, so the qualitative assessment of material do not pose any great problems. Quantitative assess of the material are our main concern. Means one can know if a child got fever, immediately there is no time to go for doctor and she got more fever. Immediately we have to reduce the fever. So then we have to take one relaxation. So we have to remove the situation. So then these tablets are named. So it will recover. There is no side effects. Certain reason, then only one can trust about the tablet or anything. Then only we can utilize. So that is the main. So if there is no problem, one can use this. So that is the example. So a study of the effect of different samples of insulin on the blood sugar of rabbits is not necessarily is biopsy problem. However, it will be if the investigator is interested in the estimations of the potencies of the samples and a scale of standard units of insulin. So other example, a study of the responses of potatoes to various phosphate fertilizers would not be a biopsy. It is a biopsy if one is interested in using the yields of potatoes in assessing the potency of a natural rock phosphate. First, there is a physical quantity like the weight of an animal, which we call X, whose levels or doses can be controlled. The effect of the factor X will be called the response. The relation between the dose and response will be described by means of graph or an algebraic equation. So biostats is application of statistics in several topics. It relates topics in biology, medicine, because nowadays in medicine, clinical trials, there is a lot of data analysis. So data collection. So we will get the data from clinical trials only. So why? They will test, they will use all these medicines. They prepare the medicines. Well, before that, they can apply. So that is. So we'll get the data from there only. In pharmacy, when you are looking to new drug, when you are comparing drug, in public health science, you are looking disease progression, or comparing drugs. In public health science, you are looking, so we can use, the second one is if you go for the agriculture, when you are coming up with new strains, new plants, new comparing onto old plants and old yields with new plants and new yields. So otherwise, if you go for the fishery, when you are you know that there are different kinds of fishery now we are seeing. So how is this transformed by with the help of statistics only, with the help of statistics only. So we can get the data where the situation is framed. Okay. So that is. So basic statistics we can apply. Why we apply statistics is very, one can know it is very, very important. See this here. 1 minute more. So here, so here, fishery. When you are doing a lot of changes of a population of fish and you are trying to look at their growth pattern as well as conditions, temperature of the sea and so on actually. And then sequence analysis, we are also going to look to some problems there. So systems biology, the gene networking data, the sequence of genes, you are comparing two gene sequence and trying to say whether to analyze these pathways and then compare the performance of the mechanism of action. Okay, population genetics. You are looking at different types of population, how the diseases are prevalent in certain populations. Then what are the habits of certain populations? What are the changes that happen to the population. So on all these areas where you are dealing with a large amount of data and you are making comparisons between one data set and another data set. So maybe one data set could be very old and other one could be new. When you are comparing two drugs, a drug is very old drug and a new drug which you are trying to introduce, you are comparing ecological system, one part of the globe with another part of globe. So wherever there is a lot of data, when you want to make useful scientific conclusions, then the biostatistics come into play. So means comparison purpose, that is maybe fishery, that may be agriculture, that may be humankind, like clinical trials. We can use statistical analysis only. That is, we can call biostatistics. So, and statistics is very important in other field also, engineering and medical and biological and social sciences also. So, okay. So, here, what is by some questions are hello, are you hearing Vijay Kumar sir? Vijay Kumar sir. Hello.